Hi friends, today 21st January 2018, just before the day of Saraswati Puja. I'm Samrat Chakrabarti, nickname is Toy. Today I'm showing you how to install Windows 7 without CD or DVD drive in computer. That means without any optical device, how can you make the operating system or how can you install Windows 7 or any other operating system in your computer. For installing Windows 7, 8 or other OS means operating system without optical drive, you need one pen drive, at least of 4 GB or better to take 8 GB at least or more than that as memory capacity. At first, keep the backup of all important files of your pen drive because we have to make the pen drive as external bootable drive for which your pen drive must be formatted, means all the things will be erased. So you will have to make the pen drive as external bootable pen drive so that it will be just working as just like the Windows installation DVD. You just use the installation DVD like that, and it will be faster than the DVD drive also. For doing this, remember to have these three things. Number one, 4 GB USB minimum, and UMI software means UMI actually we just pronounce it, and of course ISO image file of Windows 7. You have to download UMI multi-boot USB driver or USB installation. You will find that it's just written multi-boot USB creator or USB pen drive launcher or Linux especially. Then come to download UMI and start downloading it. You can see that the download file information there is the start downloading file is there. You will have to click there. Very small file, it is 991.70 KB. You can search Google to download Windows 7 ISO image, or you better to use the link which is just described here. Use the link in description, it's just given here. 32-bit downloading, that link is given, and also 64-bit download link. Now come to the pen drive. You can see that multi-boot is just written. Your name may be written here. The G drive, you can see that. Open UMI and start installing that particular one. You can get the option also that whether you will agree or not. Of course you will press I agree as usual. Then you can get this option, especially drive selection and drive option page. There you will get the chance. Step 1, select the drive, especially what type of drive you want to install here. Then automatically you will get different names at last, but nevertheless you will get that Windows Vista or 7 or 8 installer. There will have to click. Next step is that browse the location of Windows 7 ISO image file. Means where that operating system is there, you'll have to find out this image and you'll have to find out from this browse. That thing actually have to find. You can extract these files from any other Windows DVD drive also. Just you can put those files, you can extract those files, and there you will have to find it out. Then you will have to use that button create, and automatically you will get the option, especially UMI is ready to perform the following actions. Of course you will click yes. Automatically it will be done in few seconds or few minutes later. Then next option at last it will come. Would you like to add more ISO now on G, means G drive? Of course you will click no there. Then click the finish button. Now your pen drive is ready to use as bootable drive. Now boot your computer with USB. Now check your BIOS setting for booting with USB. Enable USB as booting device. Usually means just pressing F12 or F11 and other. Just stand up with that guide to you for that boot menu, but it varies from manufacturer to manufacturer. Remember, your boot priority must be first given as that USB drive. That will be the first, and second will be hard disk, and there will be no pen drive, means there will be no optical device like DVD ROM or others. So no need to think about that. So first, of course, it will be USB pen drive. That will be the bootable drive. Then no need to think about press that F10. Of course you will have to press that F10 to save that particular one. After saving, you will have to go for the restart. Then you will get any key to continue, and that installations of that Windows 7 will be started. Then you will get that type of word that Windows is loading your files. Then you will get starting Windows. Then install Windows panel will come. No need to change anything, just go to the next. Then of course install now, you will press that button. Then Microsoft Software License Terms and Condition window will appear, and of course you will click I accept the license terms. Then press next. Then it will be asked which type of installation do you want. Don't go for the upgrade, it's for upgradation. Better you will have to click specially for the custom, that advanced one. Then next option will come, where do you want to install Windows. There you will have to click specially the drive options advanced. There if you click, then you can get the chance to give the partitions of your disk. If you have any data or corrupted file on that selected partition, then it's better, or it's just recommended to format it fast. Here you can see that unallocated space 25 GB, generally your one will be 160 or 500 GB, and there you can make the partition. There new that option you can see there, after pressing it you can make different type of partitions. After that you will have to click next. Then it will be installing Windows. Automatically it will be, after copying Windows files, expanding Windows files, it will come. Better to plug out your USB before your computer restarts. Then you will get this dialog, Windows needs to restart to continue, restarting in 3 seconds. Now Windows is going to start. Then you will get this setup is updating registry setting. Then setup is starting services. Then you will get that installing Windows dialog box, and here at last you will get that completing installation, that particular one will come. Again that dialog will come, that setup will continue after restarting your computer. Here you will get type your username, for example just John and others written. There you of course write your name, Samrat or any other name. If you have any other names, of course you will write that. Then you will get one option, help protect your computer and improve Windows automatically. Don't click that use recommended settings here or install important updates only. Better to click ask me later, otherwise your one is not that genuine Windows, so it will be a problem. Then select your computer's current location, change the date and time. Now you can see that preparing your desktop. After that your computer is ready to use it. Thank you. If you have any queries, anything, you may call me 8436605735 in this mobile number. Bye bye.